So today I'm going to talk about how to make your internet at your campsite 100% better. And I mean absolutely 100% better. I've done some trial and error, spent some money on some routers, trying to do repeaters, things like that. So if you're ever at a campground and your Wi-Fi reception is really weak like it was here, we're just far enough away from antennas that we don't get a really good signal. So um, you could get a little bit if you're sitting outside, but once you're inside the camper, being inside of a tin can, um, we had almost no bars. You couldn't get any signal at all. We've got a Roku TV in there, so it would have been useless without doing this. Without doing this setup, I didn't have to drill any holes in my camper. Um, it's all set up under the awning. I'll put the links on Amazon to the equipment that I bought, but we'll do a quick review here. It's completely changed our ability to use the internet out here at the campground. I know some people are going to be like, well, you don't need internet when you're camping, but we're glamping, so we need internet. Sometimes I work out here, so I really needed to have the ability to log in and do some things. So let's go through a review of the things that I bought and how I set it up. All right, so first things first, I'm over there on this pole. I don't know if you can see it. Right up there is a Wi-Fi repeater, and there's several of them around the campsite, but that's the one that's closest to us. They're transmitting all on 2.4 gigahertz because you can get greater distance out of it. So you're not going to get a ridiculously fast speed, especially with all these other campers, sharing an internet connection. But you do get a signal, and it's very usable. You can watch YouTube videos, you can play your Roku or do whatever you want. So that's what we're going to target, is that antenna that's right over there. Part to the magic. So up here on my TV antenna, I have mounted a 2.4 gigahertz directional antenna from TP-Link. I got this at Fry's Electronics. I think I paid less than $30 for it, mounted it up there to the mast. I had to buy an extension cable because you can see there's a blue cable there. So the extension cable also converts down to the router antenna cable connector on the other end. All I did was just run the wire down the side of the camper over here and over to the equipment. So what you want to do is you want to mount that to the mast and then aim it towards the nearest Wi-Fi antenna. When you go into the software, you're going to be able to see the strength of your signals. So you want to pick the one with the strongest signal that you're going to attach to. So you can go inside the camper, turn it a little bit, use the software, and see where your bars for the other component that I'll show you here in a minute are the strongest. So you can tune this thing and direct it to the antenna that's going to make the most sense. So this is the other component that I bought, and again, I'll include the link down below. I bought this on Amazon. It was $100. This can act as a router. It has several different modes, but what I'm interested in, the Wi-Fi repeater mode. Cool thing about this component is it came with two antennas, one 5 gigahertz antenna and one 2.4 gigahertz antenna. Since we're doing 2.4 gigahertz, I was able to connect it directly to here. So just take off the 2.4 gigahertz antenna and connect this to it. The back of this is curved, so I put some double-sided tape and I stuck it to the window strip because the window strip also had a curve to it, so that worked out really well. And then this is powered by Power over Ethernet, PoE. So it comes with a PoE adapter. All I did was run it down. There's the PoE adapter right there, and just plugged the power supply into the outlet. So all of this is under the awning, so if it rains, it's not going to affect it. When I leave the campground, when I'm done for the weekend, I just pop this thing off. It comes with a detachable mount. I take the PPO or the PoE adapter and the cable and just put it inside the camper, and then I roll up the antenna wire and just store it underneath the camper. So everything is outside. With it right up on the window, we get full bars inside of the camper. So this thing is fantastic. It didn't have any reviews, so I kind of took a chance with it, and I'm glad I did. I will add a review to this. I've been using it now for 2 weekends and it works great. It's weatherproof. So if you wanted to mount it up on the mast, you could. I just wanted to have it somewhere where I could remove it without having to get up on the roof of the camper. And as you can see up here with the lights, I have full bars. So I'm receiving full signal strength from the antenna that I'm pointed at that I showed you a little bit ago.